Yo, hola, okay, hola. You see a bad bitch coming through, yo, what the hola? I'm in that new me and new.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Aries, and I am back with another video. So today's video is going to be a wig review brought to you by NA Beauty Hair. So thank you, NA Beauty, for reaching out to your girl and sponsoring this video so you can pay my bills. Period. I still want you guys to know that all opinions in this video are my own, whether it be positive, negative, in the middle, whatever the case may be. I'm not coming on here lying to y'all. I do sponsorships because I have integrity and I feel like I can tell y'all if something is fucking trash and if something is not. So without further ado, if you want to see if you want to get some more information on this blue bob that I am wearing, make sure you just keep on watching. So guys, the unit that I am wearing today is actually their 14-inch bob unit. You guys will see in the dyeing process, and I'll insert some clips on the side of me or after this showing how the hair originally came. So this is the box that the hair came in, a regular wig box. It came with this headband, lashes, an elastic band, and a clip. I haven't used any of the stuff because I wanted you guys to be able to still see what came in the box. Now let's talk about the specs on this unit. So like I said, this unit is 14 inches. I did dye this hair. So as you see this hair, this is after dyeing, this is after bleaching and rinsing the hair. I did deep condition this unit. I bleached this hair twice in one day, did the rinse the following day, and I deep conditioned it the same day that I bleached it. So basically this hair has been through some chemical processing, and as you guys see, I really hope the camera is picking up this color. But yes, it came out this really pretty navy blue color. It did not come like this, but in the bob style that this unit is, they do have pre-dyed units, whether it be burgundy or honey blonde. So you guys can easily just put a rinse over the honey blonde and achieve this color as well. But I was sent the regular one, so I just want to go ahead and experiment to make sure that all of their hair can be dyed and to make sure that, you know, it wasn't any false claims on the hair. Second, as far as shedding, honestly, I haven't gotten like crazy shedding out of this hair. It sheds a little bit, but I know that's from me bleaching the hair. I haven't had a problem with like the lace shedding. The lace is, I would say, it's rather transparent. It's not super transparent. You know what, honestly, I would say it's like a light brown lace. It's not HD lace, but it was pretty thin, easy to lay. And you guys can see the wig did come with a pre-plucked, like semi-pre-plucked hairline, even though I did go back and actually like make it look way more natural, like to me or to my hairline, which is honestly, guys, what you always want to do with your wigs, because like the company can only do based on like a standard hairline. They're not customizing it to your hairline. So when you put it on, there may be little tweaks that you need to make, whether it's a lot or a little. I didn't bleach the knots on this unit. I just put makeup on it. I didn't want to like chemically process it anymore through the dyeing process. I have been wearing this hair for a week. Like I have said before or previously in my wig videos, I like to have the hair a pretty good amount of time, like a couple days or so that I can accurately tell you guys what's going on with it. Now I have slept in this wig. It doesn't get tangled or anything. Really, all you gotta do is just like keep it brushed. I do use heat protected. I use the Garnier Fructis heat protected. It's the Sleek and Shine heat protected. That is what I put on here. Outside of that, that's it. Today is actually my first day wearing it curly, but I have worn it straight. You guys loved it when I rocked it on my Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you follow me at Golden Aries. Make sure you follow NA Beauty as well. They do have an Instagram account. NA Beauty also does have a sale going on as well, and the links to that will be down below. It is their beginning of the year sale, I think. I also will have the direct link to this wig down below, as well as pricing and things like that. As far as cap construction, there is a 13 by 6 lace, so it goes 13 across the head. which is give or take, like could be more lace than you need or just the right amount, but most people's head is about 11 to 12 inches. So the 13th inch is, you know, the extra space that you can maneuver with if you fuck up your frontal and you need to, you know, go back a little bit or cut it on the side. Now going back, it has a 6-inch part from here to here. This is 6 inches, and I can still go back some more, and it comes to about, it's pretty much like a U shape. I don't know if you guys can see, but I will show it in the next clip. So if you just want to, if you guys want to see the unit more, you know, off of my head, that will come in the upcoming clips. If you're gonna sleep in this, that you're gonna wrap this hair up. That's pretty much with any weave or wigs that you wear. If you're gonna sleep in it, make sure you wrap it up, because the cotton is drying out the hair literally. And with tracks it's worse, because when it's on your normal head or attached, your scalp oils are able to, you know, replenish it. But when it's a wig, this is literally hair that came off of somebody's head already, so you have to replenish it manually using your own oils and stuff. So make sure, you know, you're moisturizing the hair, deep condition the hair at least like every 2 weeks if you're going to be wearing it consistently. Now let's talk about the quality of the hair. Honestly, I feel like it's some decent hair, y'all. Like, honestly, I can't lie to y'all. It's not anything like extremely extravagant about it, but what I will say is they pretty much give you everything you need to make sure that this wig, you know, is worn properly. Like, they give you an elastic band, they give you a headband to keep the wig out of your face while you're beating your face, or while you sleep, wash your face, whatever. I thought that was super dope. Also, as you guys will see in the next clip, when I first received the wig, it was already straight, so it was basically ready to go right out the box. I just decided to do extra because I'm extra. Also, this wig is not stiff. I'm gonna turn around and show y'all. These are some basic wand curls. I just didn't go all the way to the end because I wanted still that kind of blunt look. Also, this is a blunt cut bob, and it comes super straight. The lines, trust me y'all, I checked. The lines were super straight. The cut was amazing. So if you want a bob and you're just, you know, you want it to be already kind of styled for you and stuff, I would definitely say get it from here. It was very easy for me to even manipulate the hairline how I needed to, pluck it, everything like that. Honestly, it's really a good wig, y'all. Like, it really is. I would say just go on their website, do your research. Their website is actually very attractive. They have reviews on there. They also have plenty of pictures, so, you know, go browsing, and I would say definitely check them out. Like I said, all the links will be down below. And if you guys want to see how I got this blue hair, if you guys want to see how I actually dyed the hair this color, or you want to see like the wig off of my head, just keep on watching for the next clips. So this is the box that the hair came in. The hair also came with a pair of lashes, as well as a thank you card, a hair clip, and a headband. Now this unit is 14 inches long. It is in the color natural brown, and it is 150% density. With this being a bob, you definitely don't want it to be too thick because it's gonna be looking all raunchy. Now for this, because we are gonna be dyeing hair, you're gonna need some latex gloves. You're also gonna need Kiss Express dye. I have this in the color Midnight Blue. I forgot to mention the wig also came with an elastic band as well as a wig cap. And also you're gonna need some trash bags to lay on the surface in which you are dyeing upon. So this is the inside of the unit. As you can see, 13x6 lace. This lace is light brown, like I said before. If you guys can see in the front of the unit, the hair is pre-plucked, so straight out of the box you can really wear this unit. So with this is a box dye. So what you want to do is just take both dyes out together. I knew that it wouldn't be enough for this entire wig in one box, despite what it says, so I got two. I just mixed both powders together, and one of the 20 volume developer bottles, and then I filled the empty one up with 30 volume developer halfway, and then put that into the mixture as well. So it was some 30 developer and some 20 developer. I put that onto the wig, and then I let it sit for about 30 minutes. As far as how I applied the bleach and developer mixture, it was no way special. I'm not gonna go too much in depth into the bleaching process because there's so many videos on YouTube on that already. But if you guys want a video just dedicated to bleaching bundles or weave or wigs, you guys can let me know down in the comments and I can make that for you guys. But for now, I'm just gonna show you guys the basics on how I got the actual blue color. And I just bleached the hair to about honey blonde, and then I gave it a bleach bath, which is where we are now. So as far as the bleach bath goes, I did want the top of my hair to have a little bit of a blue tint, so I gave it a bleach bath, which is basically just putting developer all over the hair and just letting it sit. I did let this sit for about 45 minutes this time, but it's not bleach and developer, so it doesn't have the full chemical strength as the first mixture did, so it's not damaging the hair too much. Also why I decided to take this route. This bleach bath isn't gonna lighten the hair too much, but I feel like it also helped to lighten the knots a little bit to help the wig to look more natural. So you can go ahead and completely bleach it all the way through again if you want, but I just decided not to. So I'm noticing that somehow the actual rinse clip got deleted, but basically guys, after I rinse out the actual bleaching or the developing liquid giving the hair a bleach bath, I just put the rinse on top of the honey blonde and it gave me this pretty color that you guys saw before. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you had any other questions about this, make sure you guys leave it down in the comment section below and I can answer that for you. Of course, this is how the wig turned out, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys had any other questions about this unit or any other questions about maintenance or about the actual hair color itself, make sure you leave them down in the comment section below. Also, if you guys have any video suggestions, make sure you leave it down in the comment section below and follow all my social media handles, which will be down in the description box below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.